Dubai Hills, artificial beach and children's water park. Isn't this fabulous? So as if it couldn't get any better, Dubai Hills Estate is now considered the very central point of the whole of Dubai. It is the point at which you have many villas, communities, schools, and you're only still about 12 minutes, if that, drive from the sea. So here within the park at Dubai Hills Estate, check out this amazing artificial beach. Okay, and it's even got a little kiddies water park up here, complete with water rides and everything. And thought I would just bring you this because a lot of you are looking for properties close to the ocean and the water because you just want more facilities for your kids. Well, look no further, here it is. And anybody can come over to this water park, and you've even got the wave pool here. Not so many people are in it today because, to be honest, this is actually a really cold day for Dubai, so most people don't need to cool down just yet. But I tell you what, if I come back here in 3 months' time, this will be absolutely packed out, I have no doubt. What a beautiful spot to bring your kids, your family. We're in Dubai Hills Estate in the main park area, and very soon over here the new shopping mall is also there you go, Dubai Hills Estate. But if you look over here, the new shopping mall at Dubai Hills Estate is shortly also going to be opening. This shopping mall, they say, will be as big as the Mall of the Emirates. That's the mall that we currently have with the ski slope inside. And if you check out that kind of dome tower thing over here where I'm pointing, that is going to become like you know, when you can skydive indoors, I don't know what they call it, like iFly or something. So that is also connected to this brand new mall, Dubai Hills Mall, that is ready to be opened, I believe, in the next 3 months. So I think you'll agree that the facilities that these communities are starting to provide for their residents is just phenomenal. There's nothing like it. There's water, there's running tracks, there's outdoor gyms, there's outdoor paddle courts, there's outdoor tennis courts. Dubai Hills, and of course we're here on the right by the 360-degree. There we go, you can see for yourself some of the fabulous landscaping here. So thank you for joining me on this video of Dubai Hills Park and facilities. If you liked this video, please press like. Please subscribe to my channel, and you will be kept updated of all the latest construction updates, projects, and great little communities around Dubai, because I know many of you are moving here from overseas and you're not yet familiar with all of these areas. And the facilities are very important when you're deciding where to move your family, where to settle, where to bring up children. And I think you'll have no doubt that there's some superb new communities here opening up in Dubai.